Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 38 and the title is Pursuing Significance After Success. Do you see that this title leads us into some kind of a thinking mode? Is there something beyond success? Whole throughout our life, we have been asked by our parents, teachers, well-wishers, managers, almost everybody to chase and achieve success. Then what is the significance? So according to a famous management author, John Maxwell, success is when I add value to myself. And significance is when I add value to others. Do you see here the connect and also the difference? Yes. Let me also bring it here, a real life example from one of the previous experience. We have scheduled a 2 days training program for leadership team and invited a colonel. And at the end of the day one, he has given us a small homework exercise. And when we all met the next day morning and during the recap, 2 of the participants cried. They said it never happened in their life. It was the best moment. At the time, I felt in a way I have helped touching their own life. Yeah. So connecting to in this knowledge-driven economy, we now have much longer lifespans and potential working lives. So, if you have achieved success in your professional life and accumulated sufficient resources, it may be time to engage in a career that offers you the prospects of pursuing significance for society and for yourself. After achieving success, majority of us may keep doing what we are doing now. That is, being bored, keeping on with the routine, or counting the years until the retirement. And then there is a minority of us, the people who see long lives and improved life expectancy as an opportunity for themselves and for society. These are the people who go and may increasingly become the leaders, role models, and create their own success stories. I can bring here that small example of the Bill Gates and Ratan Tata. After achieving enormous amount of success, now they are leading and pursuing their own significance journey. Yeah. So as we talk about the second inning of life, ask this question to yourself. Do you want to continue doing wherein you are extremely good and which gives you achievement and success? Or you want to attempt making significant contribution to society? Yeah, think on that. So now, how we go ahead about it? You may achieve significance by creating the future in 2 ways. First, by exploiting the changes that have already occurred. And second, by focusing on the unborn future or an idea that can bring direction and hope for a better tomorrow. Interestingly, you can use this framework in any area or aspect of your life, including furthering your own expertise in impacting and creating that meaningful ecosystem which is built on adding value to others. So as a way forward, I am clear on my significance journey. Are you? Here is wishing you all the best. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care, and happy learning.